So now let's see how we can work around with Gradient Flair effect inside of GIMP. So to work around with Gradient Flair effect, I'm going to go around onto filters right here, and then I'm going to go to light and shadows. And over here you can see that Gradient Flair is an option. So once I go around and do that, you can see that there's many different flares that you can choose from, and you can see the preview over here on the left hand side. You can go around and click as well, just like this. So there are many different flares that you can choose from right here. So let's just go around and select distance sun and click around over here just like this. If I were to go around on the settings, now I can go around and change around the center around over here as well, and then change around the radius just like this as well. I can go around and change around the rotation and change around the hue just like this as well. So let me just go around and change around the vector angle as well. So you can go around, change around the vector angle as you can see, and change around the vector length as well. You can also go around and adapt super sampling right here for better quality, and then change the threshold of it as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So this is the auto preview update right here, just like this. So if you were to go around and do that, the preview will be automatically updated right here. So if I were to go around and press OK, this will be applied, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can apply out the Gradient Flair inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.